Here at Northern, we offer the Medical Laboratory Technology program, which leads to a medical laboratory technician as a profession in the hospitals, reference labs, and possibly even in a veterinary clinic. The technicians, they work with blood, urine, tissues, and they also take microbiology specimens, such as if you have a strep throat, we're trying to determine if you have strep throat. We also do blood banking, and that determines your blood type, and also does the cross match for if you possibly need any type of blood transfusions.
So I've been a phlebotomist for 10 years, and I've worked directly with patients for a long time, and have heard them tell me about their blood results and their diagnosis and stuff, and that was very intriguing. Like, I wanted to be the one that was, diving deep into their diagnosis and help the doctor diagnose them and get my hands dirty and do the actual testing on the blood.
With my current job, I needed to get a higher education so that way I could do more things in the lab. So this is really preparing me to go back into that workforce and to have the experience that I have gotten from my clinicals and to apply it to my future job.
So I actually looked into a couple programs for the MLT, and this one caught my eye because it has clinicals the whole 2 years. A lot of programs, you do your 2 years and then you have 6 straight weeks of clinicals, where this one is you get in here and you go straight to clinicals. And that gives you like the feeling like the hands-on, and it's not just studies, like you actually feel like you're in the job.
I chose the program here at Northern because I was able to get my degree in 2 years and I could go straight into the workforce whenever I was done. I had a job previously that I needed to get my degree as soon as possible, so that's why I chose Northern, because I was able to get it in 2 years and I didn't have to go to a bigger university.
Our MLTs gain a sense of responsibility. They're taking care of patient samples, which are important to, basically I tell my students that each specimen that comes through the lab is their parent, sister, brother, and they have to concentrate on making sure all the results are accurate. The doctors are relying on these results, numbers that are on a piece of paper, and they're treating based on the numbers that are projected.
I think my favorite parts about the program here at Northern is being able to draw each other's blood, put it on a slide and check it out under the microscope, looking at urines under the microscope, identifying crystals, and just the weird science. That's my favorite.
My favorite part about the MLT program is the clinical experience that we get to have, learning how to use all the instrumentation, and of course, going through all these experiences with my classmates has been really fun. The friendship that I have formed with Amanda has been great. She has been there for me through everything. I mean, we have studied together, we have done stuff in class together. She's the person that I rely on a lot. She is the best, really. Her friendship is something that I will always treasure, no matter where we end up in life.
I would recommend students enroll at Northern for the MLT program if they are interested in doing laboratory testing that is behind the scenes helping diagnose and treat patients.
My advice to anybody who's thinking about coming to Northern, I would say just take the plunge, enroll. It'll change your life. In 2 short years, you'll be working in a career you love.